Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So today we are unboxing something. We have a Jio dongle here. So I've just received the parcel from Amazon as the sale was on. I've just taken it in and I've bought this product for rupees 2000 or approximately 2000 rupees. So we'll get to know what's in it right now and let's open it. Open the product, we just get a cylindrical box actually of Jio. So we can see on down we have the password and stuff. Here we have the barcode and some certain details mentioned here, which is of actually this is, I feel this is a Chinese. Yes, it's designed in India but a Chinese model actually. And then on top we can see Jio written here. Okay, so let's quickly just unbox and see what is inside this. Let's see how this whole setup is made of. Okay, so now I've taken off the plastic cover. So basically when we just unbox, we can see some quick things inside this. That's basically, this is the dongle device which they have been providing. We'll get back to that. We'll just keep the dongle on the side. We have certain user manuals and stuffs. So this is regarding a warranty card and all, and the Jio dongle 5 steps to be connected everywhere, and about the Jio 4G voice app for the phones. So we also have a charging adapter which they have provided with along with this. Okay, that's it. That's what they have put in the box. That's it for the box. Let's open the dongle right now. So when we open the dongle right now, let's take it out. So when we take it out, we find that okay, now this is a new design of the dongle. So we just have to, okay, now we just basically can, I suppose we can plug it in the computer and connect it as well. And we can also, okay, there's no button and stuff. I feel it just automatically gets turned on when we plug it into the computer or maybe to the adapter. So they have provided an adapter also along, they have provided us with this dongle. So now let's open the back side. And when we open the back side, we can just see the SIM slot as well as the memory slot which we can put in. So this is a perfect device wherein there is no battery usage. Rather we are just using the power source or maybe directly plugging into the computer and using it. So I'll be dropping in the link to buy this product from Flipkart as well as Amazon. The link will be directly provided on the description. So you can buy it using it, and I feel this product is very reliable and useful rather than the battery, because I had a battery wala actually battery used dongle wherein the battery got heated up and it became a little fat kind of stuff. So I had to move into the new dongle which I ordered just now, and this is that dongle. So maybe it's very good enough for everyone to prefer such a dongle right now and avoid using that. So I'll be sharing in the link for you all guys. Okay, so now since I had an existing SIM, I've just put into this and maybe we can just try plugging it in. So it also has mentioned designed in India at the backside of the dongle. Okay, so we'll just try plugging in, and also I'll just show you my previous Jio dongle wherein it shows, see, it has, the battery has just turned out to be a little fat, wherein I feel the battery has actually spoiled for this product. Maybe I should try avoid using this anymore. So then I've just turned into a new dongle, that's why. So this dongle is no more useful for me. I feel it's been more than 1 year which I've been using this, and then that's gone now. So let's try plugging in this onto the socket. So now once we connect that Jio dongle to the socket, it shows a green light actually as I've put the SIM in this, and then directly you all can connect the same to your computer by actually using the password and ID which is given just below the box, as well as just behind the dongle also you have the password and ID. I feel it's just connecting back to the network. And thank you guys for watching this video, and stay safe, and you can order your product via Amazon as well as Flipkart. So I'll be dropping in the link on the description. Do try buying it, as there are no much review videos. You should share this video out to your maximum friends and also show them what Jio has newly launched within their new products and all the new dongles and all. Okay, chalo, thank you guys, bye bye.